Welcome to IQ Pit Stop.
Do you think you know your body inside and out? From bones to brains, this quiz will put your anatomy knowledge to the test. 40 questions, 3 choices. Only one right answer. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more fun quiz challenges. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin, liver, or brain? It's skin. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, 4, or 6? 4. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Kidney, stomach, or lungs?
Kidney.
Where is the femur bone located? Arm, leg, or spine? Leg. What is the main function of red blood cells? Fight infection, carry oxygen, or produce hormones? Carry oxygen. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebrum, cerebellum, or brainstem? Cerebellum. What muscle is primarily used in breathing? Diaphragm, biceps, or hamstring? Diaphragm. How many ribs does a typical human have? 12 pairs, 10 pairs, or 14 pairs? 12 pairs. What is the longest bone in the human body? Tibia, femur, or humerus?
Femur.
Which organ stores bile? Pancreas, liver, or gallbladder? Gallbladder. Where does digestion begin? Stomach, mouth, or intestine? Mouth. What is the function of the small intestine? Absorb nutrients, filter toxins, or store waste? Absorb nutrients. Which part of the eye controls light entry? Retina, iris, or lens? Iris. What type of joint is the shoulder? Ball and socket, hinge, or pivot? Ball and socket. How many bones are in the adult human body? 206, 210, or 201? 206. What part of the brain controls breathing and heart rate? Cerebrum, medulla, or hypothalamus? Medulla. Which organ controls blood sugar levels? Liver, pancreas, or kidney? Pancreas. What is the scientific name for the collarbone? Scapula, femur, or clavicle? Clavicle. Which organ produces urine? Liver, kidney, or bladder?
Kidney.
What is the main function of white blood cells? Transport oxygen, clot blood, or fight infection? Fight infection. What type of blood vessel carries blood away from the heart? Vein, artery, or capillary?
Artery.
What part of the brain is used for thinking? Cerebellum, brainstem, or cerebrum? Cerebrum. Which part of the ear helps with balance? Cochlea, eardrum, or semicircular canals? Semicircular canals. What organ pumps blood throughout the body? Brain, liver, or heart? Heart. Which body system includes bones and joints? Muscular, skeletal, or nervous? Skeletal. What part of the body contains alveoli? Heart, kidney, or lungs?
Lungs.
Which blood cells help in clotting? Platelets, WBC, or RBC? Platelets. What organ helps in detoxifying chemicals? Liver, heart, or lung? Liver. Where is the thyroid gland located? Neck, chest, or abdomen? Neck. What connects muscles to bones? Ligaments, cartilage, or tendons? Tendons. Which organ helps regulate body temperature? Brain, skin, or lungs?
Skin.
Which structure protects the brain? Spine, skull, or ribs?
Skull.
What is the fluid that cushions the brain called? Plasma, synovial fluid, or cerebrospinal fluid? Cerebrospinal fluid. What is the largest internal organ? Liver, lung, or intestine? Liver. Which bone is also called the kneecap? Femur, patella, or ulna? Patella. Which part of the body contains the iris? Eye, ear, or nose? It's the eye. Which system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves? Respiratory, circulatory, or nervous? Nervous. What is the main function of the stomach? Absorb nutrients, digest food, or filter blood? Digest food. How many lungs do humans have? 1, 2, or 4?
Two.
What is the hardest substance in the human body? Bone, cartilage, or tooth enamel? Tooth enamel. Thanks for playing. Subscribe now for more quizzes, and see if you can beat your best score next time.